Hi, ready to explore a new tool together? Introducing the Metabo TS 254 1700-watt table saw. This extremely light table saw features a trolley function for unbeatable mobility on the construction site. With a stable die-cast aluminum stand that unfolds in seconds, you can get to work without delay. Compact and easy to transport, it's perfect for space-saving storage. Need to work near ground level? No problem. This tool offers a second working height. The anti-twist tubular frame construction ensures it meets the highest demands on any job site. With a powerful motor and electronic overload protection, you can count on reliable performance every time. The motor brake stops the saw blade in just 3 seconds, while the restart protection keeps you safe from unintentional starts. Discover more on MrWorker.com.
Mr. Worker, work tools for professionals.